Imagine a world where your home remains a cool oasis during the scorching summer months, where unexpected breakdowns are nothing more than a distant memory. We are BigHomeProjects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. What if I told you that this world is achievable simply by investing in regular air conditioning tune-ups? The reality is that many homeowners overlook this essential maintenance, and in doing so, they expose themselves to a host of risks, including skyrocketing energy bills and costly repairs. Let's dive into why an AC tune-up is not just a luxury but a necessity for every home. First, let's talk about energy efficiency. Number 1. Regular tune-ups improve energy efficiency. A well-maintained AC system can operate up to 15% more efficiently, which means you'll see noticeable savings on your electricity bill. Picture this. A simple filter change can help your unit work less, ultimately lowering utility costs. Number 2. Routine maintenance extends the lifespan of your AC unit. On average, these systems last about 10 to 15 years, but with consistent care, you can add several years to that lifespan. Imagine saving thousands of dollars by avoiding premature replacements. Number 3. Enhanced performance is another significant benefit. A tuned-up air conditioner cools your home more effectively and evenly. Studies show that well-maintained units can be up to 20% more effective in cooling. This translates to fewer hot spots and a much more comfortable living environment. Number 4. Cost savings cannot be overlooked. Preventative maintenance allows you to address minor issues before they escalate into major problems. Every dollar spent on maintenance can save you up to $5 in repair costs. Think about how much money you could save simply by keeping an eye on your system's health. Number 5. Regular inspections significantly reduce the risk of breakdowns. Statistics indicate that a staggering 90% of HVAC system failures stem from a lack of routine maintenance. The last thing you want is to deal with emergency repairs during the hottest days of summer. Number 6. Better indoor air quality is crucial for any household. A well-maintained AC system can reduce allergens and pollutants significantly. This is especially beneficial for families with members who suffer from allergies or respiratory issues. Number 7. The environmental benefits are undeniable. Energy-efficient systems use less electricity, contributing to a reduced carbon footprint. In a time when environmental concerns are at the forefront, maintaining your AC system helps create a healthier planet. Number 8. Maintaining your system helps keep your warranty intact. Many manufacturers require annual maintenance to validate their warranties. Neglecting this can leave you responsible for expensive repairs or replacements. Number 9. Safety is paramount. Regular tune-ups include checks on electrical connections and refrigerant levels, preventing hazardous situations like electrical fires or refrigerant leaks. It's peace of mind knowing that professionals are ensuring everything is safe. Number 10. Finally, the sheer peace of mind that comes from knowing your AC system is running efficiently and safely is invaluable. It alleviates stress during the peak summer months, ensuring your home remains cool and comfortable. Now, let's explore how regular maintenance truly enhances efficiency. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, simple maintenance tasks can improve your system's efficiency by up to 15%. Tasks like cleaning or replacing filters and ensuring all components are functioning correctly can prevent overworking your system and keep those energy bills down. Moreover, regular maintenance allows for early identification of minor issues before they balloon into significant problems. This proactive approach not only prolongs the lifespan of your unit but also ensures consistent cooling performance. For instance, a clean evaporator coil transfers heat more efficiently than a dirty one, resulting in better cooling performance. The cost benefits of routine AC tune-ups are substantial as well. By identifying and fixing minor issues early on, you avoid major repairs down the line, saving money that could be used for something much more enjoyable. Let's not forget common issues that regular maintenance prevents. Refrigerant leaks can lead to inefficient cooling and higher energy bills if left unchecked. Clogged filters restrict airflow, causing unnecessary strain on your system. Frozen evaporator coils could shut down your AC entirely if not regularly checked. Electrical failures due to loose connections can pose serious risks, while blocked condensate drains can lead to water damage in your home. Worn-out belts and bearings can create noise and potentially lead to system failure if not replaced timely. Dirty condenser coils reduce efficiency, while thermostat issues can cause inconsistent temperatures. Lastly, leaky ductwork can lead to significant energy loss if not sealed properly. To maintain your AC system year-round, focus on changing filters regularly, cleaning coils, and checking refrigerant levels. Scheduling biannual maintenance checks, one before cooling season and another before heating season, ensures your system is operating at peak performance throughout the year. So here's the solution. Invest in regular AC tune-ups to enjoy a comfortable living environment, lower utility bills, and prevent unexpected breakdowns. It's a small price to pay for the comfort and savings it brings. As we conclude, remember that maintaining your air conditioning unit is not just about comfort. It's about safeguarding your investment and ensuring peace of mind. Keep an eye out for signs of wear and tear, and don't hesitate to reach out for professional help when needed. Visit Big Home Projects today to discover how our expert services can keep your AC running smoothly all year long. Our commitment to quality maintenance ensures that you'll never have to experience the frustration of a broken system when you need it most. Stay tuned for more insights on home maintenance that can transform your living experience.